Good evening, everyone. Welcome to 643boxbreaks.com and hat trick break number 99 of 1314 Prizm. Here is our winner list for the evening. We have Brian, Sly Foxes, Aaron, Phyllis, Todd, G.E. Bernier. We have Firm Team, Fat Polly, Skeet 93, Johnny Boy. We have Devilish Demon with a free team from last week. You get a hat trick bonus. We have Big Pen. We have Linda. Hey, Linda. And that is about it. So before we get started here, I'm going to give away our buy 5 get 1 bonus. So tonight we have 2 people with 5+ teams. That is Phyllis and Sly Foxes. So you're each going to get a free team in Hat Trick Customer Appreciation Box Break number 14, which has just started. You have the first 2 slots. Break number 13 will be happening soon. PJ will be doing that one. He'll send everyone out an email with the info on when that'll happen. Alrighty. So before we crack into this box, we're going to do the viewer's choice bonus. So you're going to give me 2 players, and if either one of these players come up, we're going to open some bonus packs. So the first 2 players I will take. And go. I see Malkin and Galchenyuk. All right. This will be the first one of these I've opened. Actually just came in the mail yesterday. So our serial on this box is 191012089. And you can't really see it very well, so I'm just going to kind of square just to show it. Come on. There we go. Yeah, it's definitely a shiny set. We'll give them that. All right, let's do this. Well, even the box is shiny. Glossy. Lots of packs, so should get a couple hat tricks tonight, I assume. All right, let's do this. Pack 1. See how easy they open. Not that easy. All right, we have Kovalchuk, Lucic, Brassard, Quick, and double hits in this pack. For the Habs, we have Jared Tenorti, your new goon. Autograph. That's going to Johnny Boy, who I believe is a Habs fan. So hit for you. And second hit is a Panthers hit of Nick Gugstad. Can't say I know this guy. Florida. I'm sure it's some weird Swedish pronunciation on that one. Florida is Phyllis. Pack 2. All right. And we're looking for Malkin and Galchenyuk. So we got a Chris Phillips, Dubinsky, Bomeister, Taylor Hall, and nice hit for the Oilers. We have a orange die cut of Justin Schultz. And the Oilers are Sly Foxes. I believe he sniped those right at the end. And what else do we have in here? We have a Pens hit going to also Sly Foxes. Hit number 2 of Eric Hartzell. And then we have some sort of something. All right, so 2 hits for you. And the free teams for hat trick bonuses are going to be in next Wednesday's War Break. Friday we have a special 100th break happening. So there's going to be a lot of special stuff. It's going to be Trilogy, a full box of Trilogy in auction. And yeah, and some surprises. So it's our 100th break, so keep that in mind, what we usually do for milestones. All right, Bobrovsky, Shen, Brooks Like, Pecorine, and we have a hit for the Islanders, net defenders of Nabokov. And the Islanders are Sly Foxes, and that is a hat trick for you. So you will receive a free team in next Wednesday's break. And next up, we have a Ducks hit going to Brian. Igor Gogkov. Is that a B? Bobkov. No wonder I couldn't pronounce the other guy's name. The B's look like G's. So hit for Brian. All right, Umberger, Couturier, Versteeg, Andrew Ladd, Jeff Carter, and Jared Stahl. The other Stahl on Carolina. Hedman, Getzlaff, O'Reilly, Sedin, and we got a Yakupov. Initial impressions. Going to the Edmonton Oilers and Sly Foxes. I won. And we have a Panthers hit. Also going to Phyllis. That's 2 for Phyllis, and that is 4 for Sly Foxes. So if you get to 6, you get another free team. Next up, Braden Shen, PK Subban, Kane, Mikko Koivu, Boscheman, and going to the Jets and Phyllis and a hat trick, we have Zach Redmond. All right. I'll do those teams right after we finish opening the packs. Johnny T, Steve Ott, Good Branson, Dustin Brown, and a Habs hit going to Johnny Boy, hit number 2, Guy Lafleur. Endless Impressions for Johnny Boy, and another Jets hit for Phyllis. Eddie Pasquale. Oh, what do we got here? Oh, one of those ad cards for Game Center. Phil Kessel, Grabner, Tyler Myers, Ekman Larson, Sharp, and we have a Preds hit of Taylor Beck for Aaron. It's a lot of packs in this stuff. Bishop, Adam Henrique, Mike Green, Legwand, Oshie, and Jonas Rask. Going to the Preds and Aaron. Yeah, I'll double check the commons, guys. There's just so many cards, I don't want to spend an hour on each one. Make sure everything's shipped. Craig Anderson, Zetterberg, Doughty, Perry, Yossi, and Max Reinhardt. Stahl was a hit. Okay. I'm just going to mark this Flames hit. It's gone to Phyllis. That is hit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Stahl. Thought I took Stahl out. Got in the wrong pile. Let's see. I think I put Stahl in the right pile. Oh, there he is. Canes. Sorry about that. There we go. All good. So that one goes to Sly Foxes. How many hits is that for you? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One more for you. Krejci, Hagelin, Gabo, Kane, and we have a die-cut orange going to the Wild of Pominville. And the Wild are Skeet 93. And then we have a Flames hit going to Phyllis, and I believe that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Times 2. 2 hat tricks. So 2 free teams next week. Nice. Mark Kundary. And one more for Sly Foxes to get another one. Zubris, Ryan Miller, Hossa, Backus, Pavlik. And we have a hit for the Flyers. And Big Pen. That is Scott Lawton. And then one of those Game Center cards. Voracek, Jobo, Lettinen, Raymond, Voynov, and Granlund. That's a good one. That would look like a refractor. So that is Minnesota. And Skeet 93. Jeez. Really got to pay attention to these suckers, right? Pavlik? How do you tell? Does that look like a refractor? Rainbowy. Yeah, I guess it looks a little different. Voynov looked funny too. Where was that? Did I already pass it? Oh, there he is. Yep. Yeah, they just look a little weird. Yeah, and I'll make sure I double check these good before I send them out because they're sneaky. I'll give you guys hits for those though. Sly Foxes, hat trick times 2. And Phyllis, another hit for you. All right. Malone, Larson, Giroux, Mike Richards. We have an auto for the Panthers. TJ Brennan. Florida is Phyllis. And next we have a Dallas hit. Going to Firm Team of Alex Chason. Stefan Johansson, Whitney Fablik. We have a Huberto. Pivotal players. Going to the Panthers. And Phyllis. I'll have to double count yours at the end here, Phyllis. And, yeah, ding ding, 3 packs. Go to the Habs. And a hat trick for Johnny Boy. Galchenyuk. Johnny Boy, hat trick. Let's do one on Russ and one Contenders. Alright. Chipkin. Hey Duke. We have a Malkin. Boys of Winter. It's gonna go to Sly Foxes. And then here we got Contenders. Stahl, Giunta, Lettinen, Spacer, Callahan, Kessel. What's up? Let's do another. We got an Eric Tangretti, also going to Sly Foxes. All right, let's get this break done here. Didn't realize there's so many packs and so many cards and hits. Crazy. Kendall, Kunitz, Dan Boyle, Matt Duchene, Chris Higgins, and Richard Panic, rookie, going to the Tampa Bay Lightning and Sly Foxes. I'm just going to count you guys' hits at the end just because it just takes too much time to count through them all every pack. All right. Matt Reed, Pacioretty, Lupul, Slava Voinov, Selani, and a Tyler Johnson rookie. I think this guy's going to be good. Going to Tampa Bay and Sly Foxes. Might get a new hat trick record. I think our current hat trick record's 6. Matt Molson, Stafford, Mike Smith, Bieksa, Kopitar, and we have a Florida. Is that Florida? Yep. Quentin Howden. Going to Phyllis. And 2 left. Carlson, St. Louis, Zajac, Carlson, Fisher, and a Raquel rookie going to the Ducks and Brian. And last pack, and then I'll count up the hits for the hat tricks. Vanek, Stahl, Keith, Shattenkirk, Goligoski, and a Stefan Matteau. Going to the Devils. And Aaron for a hat trick. And a free team on Wednesday. Alright, so let's do a quick tally here. Phyllis has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 hits. 3 free teams. Sly Foxes, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for 2 free teams. And Johnny Boy has a free team. And Aaron has a free team. And that is it. So 5, 6, 7 free teams. New record. I missed 2? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I probably just forgot to mark them, huh? Yeah. All right. Let's do. I believe you. So many hits. It's craziness. Okay. 1 second. Let's get some of this stuff out of my way. So I'd say our hit of the box would be the Schultz rookie. Agree? The orange die cut. Anyway, I'm going to do all these free teams. 3, 6, 7, 8 free teams. Here we go. This one will be Aaron. Dropping down 27 for Aaron. And that is Rangers. Aaron will be pleased with that. Next up, slot boxes, 3 teams. Here we go. 18. Colorado. Number 1. Number 2. 12. That is Anaheim. And one more for you. 5. Oh no, Kipper stick. That's St. Louis. All right, 3 for Phyllis. 12. That is Colorado. Already given. Let's redo it. 27. Close to the legend bonus over here. 27. And that is Ottawa. Team number 1. Number 2. Speaking of number 2. And legend bonus. Ding, ding, ding. We have a Pat LaFontaine rookie card. Graded by Beckett. And that is going to go to number 8, who is G.E. Bernier. Congrats, G.E. Bernier. One more legend bonus for the pile. All right, let's give away the rest of these teams to Phyllis. Number 8. That is St. Louis, already given. 11. That is Montreal. Two good teams to have. And one more. 27. We have Jets. 3 Canadian teams for Phyllis. Oops. And now, Johnny Boy. Last hat trick team. Number 8. By the way, I can't see if anybody's typing to me right now, so I'll check the messages in a second. That is the Sharks. All right, that was a lot of time. San Jose. All right, next up we have the Mega Upper Post Championship. Just gonna check if anybody's. All right. Yeah, Mega Upper Post Championship. So we have to pull a team. The only team that's given away, or person that has a team so far, is Devilish Demon. So everybody's eligible unless you got a hit with the team I draw, which is half of them. So let's see what we get here. We got Winnipeg hits. Pittsburgh had hits. Boston did not have hits. So Sly boxes. You're going to get Off the Post slot number 2 in Off the Post Championship number 9. All right. Next up, streaking. So we have a couple people that are very close to hit the 10, and we're giving away 15 slots in the box of Dominion. We have 10 given away. Once we get to 15, we're going back to a free team in the next break. So just keep that in mind. So there's 5 to go. Erin is at 9, so she just about has one. Todd is at 7. Brian is at 6. Skeet93 is at 3, and Sly Foxes is at 3. And part of that is the get out of jail free bonus, which is this. So if you miss a break, you can continue your streak. So we just do that on the Plinko board. Roll the dice. Number 4. And it does come in handy. Brian had 9, and he missed a break, and he had to get out of jail free card, so it was perfect. So we got his free Dominion team because of that card. Here we go. That is going to Detroit. And Fat Polly. Detroit hitless in this break, which is weird. They usually clean house. All right. Legendary Luck has been given away already. Next up, we have Trivia. And as you guys probably know, we base Trivia often on our break number. And since it's 99, we got to ask Gretzky questions. Of course. Why wouldn't you? There's a million trivia questions for Gretzky. So, question number 1 is going to be for a triple Team Canada Fabrics. That includes Jaden Swartz, Sazikis, and Carter Ashton. Team Canada. Question for that is going to be, what player was Wayne Gretzky's boyhood idol? And the answer is Howe and Todd. Nice job, Todd. All right. Question number 2 is for this duel of Kopitar and Doughty with the silver swatch for Kopitar. And the question for that one is, how many consecutive games did Gretzky get at least 1 point during the longest streak in his career? You guys are close. Yep, anybody can guess. I see Terry B snags it. 51. Yeah, guys, anybody can play. You don't have to be in the break. You can win cards either way. All right, next up, we have a Prizm rookie of Steve Oleski. Question is, Wayne Gretzky scored on 155 different goaltenders. He scored against this one netminder 29 times, the most of any of his victims. Who is that goaltender? Nope. It's not a big superstar goaltender either, so keep that in mind. Brodeur. I'll take Brodeur. It is actually Richard Brodeur, but Brodeur is good enough for me. And that, who was that? That Polly. Nice job. All right. And the last question we have before J. Ross takes over and we see who wins the bounty card is the Name That Player. So here we go. Yes, King Richard. And no, it's not Gretzky. It is a modern day player. Name that player. Nope. Nope, nope, nope. 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 Should I give you a hint? The jersey is misleading because he has been traded. He is 24 years old. He was drafted 42nd overall in the 2007 entry draft. He now plays for the Winnipeg Jets, left wing. His nickname is Big Dog. Nope. Ah, this is a hard one. I like it. I should probably show you the card that you could win as well. I forgot to show it, but the card you can win is nobody's guessed it yet. Yeah, there we go. Eric Tangradi is the answer. That is Elonella. And this is what you're going to win. Philip Cornet. Prime rookie, number to 249. Nice job. That was a tough one. Everybody guessed every player on the Pittsburgh roster because of the Pittsburgh jersey. But he is a Jet. So that is it. I'm going to type out our email, and you just email me your address, and I'll ship you that card. Okay, that is the break for tonight. J. Ross is up next, and we will see who gets the best hit overall. Thanks, guys.